everybody, it's Johan Nordström from Trading Walk, and in this video I want to show you the New Zealand dollar USD trade and how it played out. Beautiful. So as you can see here on the 1 hour chart, we entered down here and we sold up here. And I want to show you exactly what made me take this trade and how you can do it too. So we start to look at big picture. When we enter a trade on a lower time frame, we want to look at a bigger time frame to find the trend and find levels of interest. So looking at the daily chart here, we can see on the left here, we're in a downtrend we have lower highs and also lower lows. And in this area right here, we broke our previous lower high, and that indicates us that this trend might reverse and we might go from a downtrend to an uptrend. But we don't want to buy high, we want to buy on retraces. So we buy low and sell high. And what we do then is we wait for a retracement, and the best area for retracement to buy is at the 50% Fibonacci level. So when I draw a Fibonacci from the high down to the low, we can find a Fibonacci retracement of 50%. And that is a very, very strong level. And here's an important thing here. Trading is not exact, so these areas will not always be to the point, but you can see here it's basically forming a very bullish candle right at the level, and this level also coincides with this low and these two highs. So we can see here, this area here is very powerful. So when we start coming down here to this level, we want to get a buy signal. So now when we found a trend and a level, now we want to focus on finding a buy signal. So if we look now again at the 1 hour chart here, we will see this area. So this area on the 1 hour chart is right here. I traded a buy signal here up to this area. And now when I saw that we came down to this 50% area again, I got very interested to buy again. So I zoomed down to the 1 hour chart, and the 1 hour chart looked like this. And as you saw, the buy was right down here and the sell up here. This resistance area on the daily chart, the previous high. So this was an area I wanted to exit at. So that's how I traded New Zealand dollar USD